what's up? I'm Brad and this is Lucy, and welcome back to another Brad and Lucy Science Show. Today we're going to be making another batch of our conductive Play-Doh, but this time we're also going to be making insulative Play-Doh, which basically means that electricity cannot pass through.
So we're going to be making circuits, and what you're going to need to make one is some conductive Play-Doh, some insulative Play-Doh, a battery, and some LEDs.
So my dad was messing around a little bit, and he made this little guy with LEDs for eyes. And when you bridge the gap, it looks like he has 3D glasses on. And so how this is working is that we have the positive charge going in through here, negative charge going in through here, then the two LEDs bridging across. And then when you touch it, they bridge and get both of the currents, causing them to light up.
So this was a really cool experiment. So part 1 was making Play-Doh, which you should definitely go check out if you haven't seen already. And part 2 was messing around with electricity, which was really fun. And we've learned a lot from it.
We hope you liked this video. If you liked it, leave a like, hit the like button. And if you want more of this content, hit the subscribe button. Bye!